What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. Altcoins, meme coins, you name it. We're gonna check them out left and right because you just never know which project could give you crazy ROIs in the future. Now, we saw what happened with Baby Doge. Doge exploded and then Baby Doge exploded. And in this video, we're gonna be checking out Baby Pepe. High risk, high reward project, guys. So never invest more than you're willing to lose. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. Crypto is very risky and very volatile, so manage your risk accordingly. The meme revolution with Pepe Zilla, Baby Pepe is here to dominate. It's time for Baby Pepe to take reign. About Pepe is tired of watching everyone play hot potato with the endless derivative. Shiba come, Elon, Turbo, Inu coins. The Inus have had their day. It's time for the most recognizable meme to make his reign as king of the memes. Baby Pepe is here to make meme coins great again. Launched stealth with no pre-sale, zero taxes, one LP locked for 1 year and renounced. Fueled by the memetic power. Let Baby Pepe show you the way. We have right here nice designs and everything like that. How to buy right here for you guys. Obviously, we are not dealing with any beginners on the channel, so y'all already know. Create a MetaMask wallet, you get some BNB in the wallet, go to Pancake Swap, paste the contract, then you swap BNB for Baby Pepe. CEX listings, low taxes, feels good, man. 11% for CEX listings. 56% of the tokens were sent to the liquidity pool. LP tokens were locked for a year and the contract is renounced. The remaining 11% of the supply is held in a multi-sig wallet to be used for CEX listings. This wallet is easily trackable with the ENS name PepeZilla CEX.BNB. Phase 1 meme, 2 phase 2 vibe and hodl, 3 meme takeover. Now, as you guys can see right here, we have a roadmap and everything broken down for you. Baby Pepe swap, so they're working on utility, growth of the ecosystem, major exchange listings, influencer marketing push. Baby Pepe, if you guys want another video, reach out to me. I am just hit up my email, guys, so I could continuously make content for you guys if you want to do a partnership with me. Top tier CEX listings and a roadmap update. Baby Pepe coin has no associated with Matt Fury, the original creator of Pepe, obviously. No intrinsic value or expectation of financial return. This coin is completely useless, just like the Pepe site. But we see what happens when communities come together and decide, hey, we're gonna push this project to the top. Pepe went to $1 billion market cap in 2 weeks. Baby Pepe, who knows what could happen here? The more Pepe explodes, maybe Baby Pepe follows along with it. You just never know, but you have to think like that, right? So now we check out the Twitter. 5,300 followers on Twitter. The activity continues until 300 people will complete the airdrop. So they have an airdrop that recently happened. They have people development process. They're taking professional web design. So Baby Pepe is out here doing its best to provide liquidity. Top 4 in AI hot search. Baby Pepe on Dex Tools. So yeah, it's pretty brand new here, guys. And if we let's see, let's take a look at Dex Tools once again so I could pull it up and show you guys. I think it was trending. It was trending a bit ago right here. Baby Pepe, right? 82 out of 99, 4% sell tax. That's not bad. 0% buy tax. Liquidity is locked for 1 year, and as you guys can see, it's curling up right now. It's at 316k market cap. 316k market cap, okay, and it's curling up. Who knows what could happen? It could make a breakout move to the upside and then go to 3 million market cap, which would be a 10x from here, guys. That could potentially happen, right? We see meme coins go to 10, 20, 30 million all the time. Who knows what could happen here? Still pretty early for this one, okay? So again, manage your risk. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. You got like $50, $100 to play around with. Hey, let's see what happens with that. don't go overboard on a lot of these, on any altcoin, any project at all, because we've seen it. Even the best altcoins can crash, right? So with higher risk meme coins, the same can happen just as fast, right? But I like what I see with Baby Pepe. If you hold Baby Pepe, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let me get your thoughts, guys, on what other projects you would like me to check out on the channel. Comment down below. Everything Baby Pepe and myself will be in the description. And once again, Baby Pepe team, if you see this video, feel free to email me so I could continuously cover the project and we work on some type of partnership. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.